Crypto trading for beginners. So in this video I will show you everything step by step how to use the exchange. In this exchange you can use in every country in the world. You don't need any KYC. So let's start it. Please subscribe to my channel and we are going step by step. So first go into the description, take the link and put into your browser. For a register you need to write here your email or phone number. Here you don't need anything. If you register by the web, by the phone, use App Store or Play Market, use just this code. I will leave in description. In this code you will get up to $30,000 to first deposit, and you will have the less fee for trading. So next step, it's very simple. Right here, next, and when approved you get message in your email. Just right here, and you become to the exchange. So first, what you want to do, it's you need the deposit for trading. So press the deposit. You can choose it. First things, it's a P2P trading. So you can buy the crypto from other people in your country. The second way, you can buy directly from use just your card. It's Apple Pay or Google Pay, whatever you want. So you get the USDT. Then after, let's learn how to trade in the spot trading. So in spot trading, for example, if you want to buy the Bitcoin, just write the Bitcoin, then put a little bit down. So this is its limit tracker. This is the market. So use the market. Here it's how much you want to buy, and just press it buy. If you want to sell the Bitcoin, it's the same. So you use the market, how many you need to sell, and sell. In these things you can buy or sell any crypto in the world. So it's very simple, just only two buttons. If you want to more money, you can use the futures. Futures, it's looking like that. This is position. You can open it long or short. For example, if you want to open the some position for long or short, just 1 second. First, use the leverage. It's here. You must to choose the isolated, and here it's, for example, 22 level large. Then you must to choose it. It will be long or short. For example, we need to open the long. We choose the market, choose the quantity, and we press it open the long. In the same thing, if you want to open the short, you use the same the quantity, market price, and open the shorts. So please subscribe to my channel. In next video I show more information about the crypto trading, and use my link in the description. Thank you very much for watching and see you in next video.